Okay, as you can see, this is the Seafox 236 walk around. It's sitting on a full aluminium trailer, electric brake system, good trailer, Magic Tilt trailer, manufactured in America. Walking down the side here, you can see up there, registration till February 2019. There's the 236 logo. Boat's in immaculate condition. Had it since new. It's got 89 hours on the clock. So walking around the back, sorry if this video is not real great, but it's inside its little shed that we keep it in. There's the engine there, so we're looking at a Verado 225 supercharged engine, very powerful, very fuel efficient. Don't ask me what the fuel economy is, because if you have a boat like this you don't worry about fuel economy. So that's looking at the back of it. It's tied down there. It's also got ski hooks on it if you're that way inclined. But a beautiful big engine, good transom, great swim platform at the back. As you can see there, there's a slide there that forms part of the rear seat. That just comes out. When we're fishing, we usually take all the cushions out and we take that out, and that just locks in alongside. So it gives you plenty of room. You can run straight up on the back of that transom if you need to catch fish. Trim tabs, all electronic trim tabs on the boat. You can see there, and the swim ladder as well. So we'll just go inside the boat now, just shift this ladder around. Not a very good photographer. Just walking up into the boat, I'll just pan around to the rear. So we've got here 150 litre live bait tank. This is unbelievable. If you like live bait fishing, you can fit some really big live bait in there as well. It's straight underneath the bait board. I had that bait board custom made, so it's as wide as that live bait tank. It's high enough so that when you come in here and you undo the lid like this, the lid goes all the way up underneath without interfering with the bait board. There's also 4 big rocket launchers. I've had that custom made out of stainless, out of marine grade stainless, and yeah, it's in good. It's a good board. Also, you can see here the seating. So those seats there, these things here, actually slide out and store behind the bait board. And we usually just lift those cushions out. They all clip in, but we just take them out. We don't use them unless we're just having a day out on the river or something. There's another seat there. It's also got all the way around it. It's got cushion coamings all the way around, so that when you're fishing, you're not coming home with bruises all over your legs. Got access points over here. We've got dual battery system over here, and dual batteries are set up in behind there. We've also got LED lighting under all the transoms, so when you're out fishing in the evening, the LED lighting lights up the deck of the boat, but doesn't get too bright. We also have overhead lighting, which I'll show you in a minute. Self-draining deck. These boats also don't contain any timber, so they're foam filled, don't contain any timber, and so there's no chance of rot down the track. Now, looking back towards the cabin, these seats here and here, the captain's chairs, they come out. They're fully adjustable. They swing. They go in forwards and backwards. They swing around, and they also are removable for cleaning. The cushions here, all these cushions clip on. I haven't got them clipped on at the moment. Then in here we have more storage on both sides, one behind the captain's seat, one behind the passenger seat. So they're all in there as well. Looking into the cabin, or looking above the cabin now, we've got overhead lighting as well. The lights up the whole back of the boat. We've got another 4 big rocket launchers up there as well. Full aluminium frame with hard top. Good thing I like about this is that you can climb all over the boat and you can hang on to the aluminium framework. It's solid. It's got 4 clears in it, so it's really good when you're outside and it's a bit rocky. Coming into here, we've got in the cabin, as you can see there, we've got stereo here, UHF radio there. Steering wheel, we've got the smart gauge system on this boat as well. And also you've got your Lowrance system up the front. Moving around here, all your switches, everything are very handy along here. They're all labelled all along the front there. So you've got fresh water just at the rear of the boat. You've got your fresh water tank on that side, and then you've got on the other side you've got your raw water tank. So yeah, that way you can always freshen up out there as well if you're overnighting. So when we look around here, good stereo system in this boat. It's got a Jansen system in it. Big powerful speakers. Punches out a bit of noise. Going down into here, we've got the this lifts up. So that lifts up, supported there. The door opens. You go down into the cabin. There's a toilet down there. There's a sink in there as well. There's storage underneath those seats. We store all life jackets in there. We've also got storage around the outside, so we store all the other stuff in there. EPIRBs positioned in the corner. All self-draining. You'll see everywhere there's little drains. Everything's self-draining in this boat, so if you happen to get a fair bit of water in there, certainly you can get rid of it fairly quickly. Also there's cup holders, so you've got cup holders for the passenger, the skipper, and there's cup holders down the side, as well as more rocket launchers in the side of the boat as well. Apart from that, that's pretty much it. Other than being very spacious, it's about 2.4 metres wide, and it's a very comfortable boat out on the water, very stable. It's got what they call a diamond deck on it, so it's very good when it's wet. Very non-slip deck on it.